Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Share Support. Today I am going to show you how to customize shortcut keys in Final Cut Pro to make editing even faster and more efficient. Whether you want to assign a new function to a key or create a custom layout, this tutorial is for you. So first, let's open Final Cut Pro app. Here there is an ongoing project of mine. To get the keyboard, we'll press Command, Option and K. Here you can see the keyboard. It displays all the shortcuts you can customize. So first we'll go over here and change this default to copy of default. Now you will see a search bar here. Let's try changing a shortcut. For example, if you want to assign the blade tool to a different key, just type blade. Here you can see the shortcut key for blade is Command B. We all know. So let's change it to only B. So just you need to press the B key on your keyboard. Here you can see B for blade. Now just save it and close it. So let's press the B key on your keyboard and here you go. Here you can see it has split the video clip. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. Thank you.